Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the inside of my iPhone. So first you're going to see this, and then there's a passcode, and then you're going to see Jacob, and this one is the games, Clash Royale and Red Ball. And this one is blank. This one is the chats. It has popcorn, line, phone, BBM, messages, and mail. And here it has Instagram. Mine is Gem Swimmer, follow me. And Rhetorica, it's for pictures, FaceTime, camera, and Musically. And my Musically is also Gem Swimmer. And I like Musically more than Instagram. It's Gem Swimmer, and I have 207 musicals and 2,469 hearts. So follow me. Now, the TV, I never use them. Videos and podcasts. Know the extras. You know them, right? Yeah, and in here it's blank. So that's what is inside my iPhone. Yeah, so one last thing you want to hear is Siri. Beatbox. Just ask Siri to beatbox.
Here's what I've been practicing: boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots.